Are you struggling with tax problems? Let me tell you, you're not alone. Whether it's unfiled returns, owing back taxes, or facing an IRS audit, these issues can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In today's video, we'll break down how to fix the most common tax problems and explore the best solutions there are out there. First, let's identify the most common tax problems that people face. These could be anything from unreported income, missing tax filing deadlines, or getting hit with those unexpected penalties that come from out of nowhere. Understanding these issues is the first step in finding the best exit strategy from your tax problems. When you're dealing with tax issues, it's crucial to address them quickly. Ignoring a tax problem can lead to even more severe consequences, including taking a haircut on your paycheck, otherwise known as garnished wages, or the IRS filing a lien against your property. And by a lien, I mean a federal tax lien. So, what can you do? Let's go through some realistic steps that you can take to work on fixing your tax problems. First, you'll need to gather up all the relevant documents. And by that, I mean any tax returns from prior years, any notices you've received from the IRS, and any and all financial records. That way, you'll be better able to assess and review your situation or consult with a tax professional who can help you understand what's gone wrong. If you missed a tax filing deadline, make sure to get that return submitted as soon as possible to minimize all of the penalties and interest that can be assessed. For those who owe back taxes, check into setting up a payment plan with the IRS or exploring if you are eligible for options like the IRS Fresh Start program. Curious about how to reduce your taxes? Want to know more about minimizing your actual tax liability? Visit our webpage on how to reduce taxes owed, or click the link below in the description for more in-depth strategies that could help save you time and money in taxes. But what if you need help? Don't worry, there's resources available. You can seek assistance from a professional tax consultant like myself who can help guide you through the process, whether it's dealing with an IRS audit, negotiating an offer in compromise, or requesting a penalty to be erased. And they call that penalty abatement. Remember, getting expert help can save you time and money in the long run, in addition to the peace of mind that working with a professional can bring. Interested in learning more about the IRS Fresh Start program and how it could benefit you? Click the link below or visit our dedicated page for a comprehensive guide on the IRS Fresh Start program. Lastly, let's talk about prevention. Once you've resolved your current tax issues, it's important to prevent future problems from happening in the first place. So stay on top of your tax obligations by filing on time, keeping accurate records, and understanding your specific tax situation. Regularly review your financials and don't hesitate to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're keeping yourself right on track. And if you're considering hiring a tax attorney but are unsure of the costs involved, we got you covered there too. Want to learn more? Visit our webpage on how much it costs to hire a tax attorney or click the link below for detailed information. And if you're still wondering, how can I fix my tax problems? We have a page dedicated just for that. So click the link below for our website in the description to find the best exit strategy from your tax problems that fits to your unique situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more tips on managing your taxes. Bye for now.